Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business hotel lobby structure fix using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a hotel lobby image. I pause because hospitality visuals define business reputation. The wide lens bends pillars and walls. I duplicate the layer immediately. I open adaptive wide angle inside camera raw filter. I draw constraint lines along the pillars and ceiling edges. I pause to feel the symmetry returning. I zoom in and inspect reception desks and logos. I fine-tune until everything feels straight and welcoming. I zoom out and sense luxury and order. Now I add business hospitality text carefully aligned.